Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I'm going to do a Dutch pour today, and I've picked out some colors here. I have a violet, a quinacridone magenta, ultramarine blue, and some gold. Can't have too much gold. And put some of my base paint around here. And get my blow dryer. Okay, it's pretty. Pretty. Okay, is there something else I want to do? A little bit of paint right there in the middle. Oops, I dripped. Fix that. Okay, let's give it a torch. Very nice. Open up some of this gold down here. And there we have it. I'm loving that. Thanks guys, I appreciate you coming to visit with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again. Bye.